Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Yoda. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share. All that good stuff really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it when you do. Alrighty, so I'm going to start drawing Yoda. I'm going to start sketching with the eyes. So you can do your best to follow along with what I'm doing, but it doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing. We're just here practicing art, having fun drawing. Okay, so I did a little shape like a squat up lemon, and then like a little circle inside that. And then I'm gonna do another circle, and then a circle in the middle of that. I'm gonna color that one in dark. And I apologize if you can hear my dog in the background chewing on a toy. Alright, so we're going to do some little lines here above the eye and below the eye. I'm going to put another one in here below. And kind of extend this line here. And put a few more above. Like that. And one more. Why not? Alright, so I'm also going to thicken up the circle I got here in the middle. I'm going to make the sides a little bit darker. Like that. Alright, so now we can do a little nose here in the middle. So gonna have a little shape like that. We got a little nostril here, and then a little teeny tiny U shape in the middle, and then do another little nostril, and we start to curve on up. And give it a little soft top up here, a little rounded line for the top of the nose. And do some lines up here too. He's got lots of lines on his face. That's what happens when you're very, very old. Okay, so now let's do the other eye. So same thing we did a moment ago. And try our best to match it up with the other one, but as I've said before, it doesn't have to be exact, it doesn't have to be super perfect. We're just having fun and practicing. So I did a little circle here on the side, and then a circle in the middle, and I color that one in dark. And I'm thickening the lines on both sides, making them darker, and trying to balance it out on both sides here. So I can tell that they look different, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna do some lines above and below this eye. Give them those aged, very, very aged eyes. Aged and very wise. Yoda's a pretty smart little dude. Okay, so now let's go on down a little bit and let's give him a mouth. So I'm gonna give him like a little teeny tiny bit of a smile. Nothing crazy. And I'm going to do little small strokes coming up from the mouth here, from the lips. And then I'm going to do a little line below the mouth, kind of like a lower lip here. And I can do little lines coming down from there as well. And now let's give them, we can do a little line right here, and then give them like a little bit of a chin. And let's start to do a bit of a cheek right here. So I got a shape like that. We can come on down a little bit. I know it's looking a little bit silly, but it'll come together in the end. Just we gotta trust the process here. It'll look like Yoda by the end. So we can come on down a little bit on this side too. But I know what you're thinking. It definitely doesn't look like Yoda right now. But it will. Do a line coming this way. And I'm going to do a line coming from the nose here on both sides. And one right here, and right here. And do a little curve in this way. And curve in that way too. Alright, so now up above here, let's do like a heavy brow line. And then over here, we're going to do like a little light U shape. And then do another kind of brow line up here. And then he's got a great big head. So we can sketch out that great big head. Alright, so his head also has a pile of wrinkles and lines. So we can do one like this here in the middle. And then another one, but the lines, you can see that the lines are getting a little bit longer. Let's do another one up here. And we can come on down a little bit here. And then go down this way too. And this way. Bring some lines out here. And let's do one of his ears. And of course, they're very long. Okay, so a shape like that. And do a little line here to give it some, to help show the depth here of the ear. And then a line right here, coming this way. And then of course, he needs his other one. So this one's gonna get cut off a little bit here by the end of the page. But that's okay. If you've got room on your page to give him a full ear, you go for it. So I'm doing a shape like that for his other ear and connecting it there to the head. And another thing I love about Yoda is how how fuzzy he is. So he's got so many little fluffs of hair all over the place. He's got some hair like in his ears here and just poking out here on the sides. Just all kinds of little bits of hair. I think it just helps to make them so cute. So we can put that on both sides. And there's no real rhyme or reason to his little bits of hair. They just kind of go all over the place. They don't follow any real pattern. They're not really kept neat and tidy. They're just kind of all over. No particular way. He's so cute. Okay, so now let's work on his clothing. So I can do a line coming down this way and right here, like that. And I will do kind of like a little V shape right here. And then come on out and in like that. So it kind of goes there to his neck. And this is going to be the collar of his shirt. It's going in behind his neck. And we can draw a line here, connecting to that V shape. And then we can bring this down a little bit right here. And I'll put a few little lines in our fabric to help give it a bit of texture. And bring this line down here a little bit and down here. Okay, so let's put a thumb right here. So we're gonna do a little shape like this. And then we're gonna give him a big old nail. Nail, claw, one of those things. And then shape like that. Attached to the nail or the claw, whatever you want to say. And then we've got the rest of his hand is going to be here. Okay, so that's the rest of his fingers, and it's going to be poking out of a sleeve. And let's do a line like this, and a curve right there. A line right here coming down, another one, and then this fabric is coming down this way, and now he's got his arm here. Alright, so I'm going to do another one of his little claws right here. One of his nails. So a long pointy part, and then we got a little rounded spot here underneath attached. And it's coming down this way. And then we can put another one here. Put a little bit of finger right there. Can't really see it very well now because it's enclosed in his hand. And then we can add some more fabric here. And some more folds in the clothes right here. And now we've got Yoda with his two little hands and all his cute little fuzzy fluff. And it's time to color. All right, everyone, we are finished our picture of Yoda. I think he turned out pretty cool, but let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, so I hope you all have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!